Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete purchase history on Shopee. But before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips like this. First, open up your web browser. Here you need to search for Shopee, then add your country, where your Shopee account is, and customer service and search it. Tap to open Shopee's official website related to your search. Here, you'll find the option to contact Shopee's team. Select the option of email to send them a request email. You can also make a call if you want to. Basically, there is no such option on Shopee to delete purchase history, so we need to request them to do so. Once you're here, select the topic related to purchase history. After adding all the required information, type a request that you want them to delete your purchase history on Shopee. Lastly, tap on the send button to send the request. The Shopee team will contact you back. So that's it for this video guys. If you found it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.